So friends, if you are using Kotak 811 application and if you want to know how to transfer money from this app to other bank account, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, there are multiple ways to transfer money from Kotak 811 app to other bank account. So what you have to do is just first of all, open Kotak 811 application in your mobile phone and complete the login process. It doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Now, once you open the app, you can check out the balance over here. You can check out the UPI ID. If you go down, you have, you can basically check out your transaction history. And if you want to do bank transfer or money transfer, you have to select bank transfer option. Now, on the next page, you get an option of quick transfer. You can do international transaction as well. So you have international transfer option over here. And if you have added, beneficiary account, then you can check out that list over here. Now, if you don't know how to add a beneficiary account, then on this particular page, just simply tap on add beneficiary, select the bank account of the beneficiary, enter the bank details, and within few minutes you can add that beneficiary account. So suppose if you want to transfer money to beneficiary account, then all you have to do is just simply select the account. You can check out the details over here, tap on transfer money option, it will take you to the next page, and over here let's try to send an amount, and in note you can for now I'm just entering test because I'm doing this for testing purpose. So you can enter the amount, you can enter the note, tap on pay option, and over here you need to select the payment method. So either you can do IMPS, you can do NEFT, or else you can use UPI option to complete the transaction. So maximum transfer limit for UPI is 1 lakh, and for the first 24 hours, if you are using IMPS or NEFT, you can do only 25,000. Basically, you can only transfer up to 25,000 rupees. So that's only for first 24 hours. So yeah, you can just basically select the payment mode and you can complete the transaction for the beneficiary account. So this is one way of transferring money to other bank account. Now, if you don't have time to add beneficiary account, then in that case you can select quick transfer option, because here you can transfer up to 1 lakh rupees without OTP authentication. So select quick transfer option, select the bank account of the person to whom you are trying to send the money. So suppose I want to send money to IDFC bank, then I'm going to search for IDFC, select that particular bank. Then on the next page, enter the beneficiary name. Again, enter the nickname, select account type. You have to enter account number 2 times, enter the IFSC code. Contact number and email ID is optional. Once you enter each and everything, just simply select save and transfer option. So I'm going to enter the details, and after that, I'll show you the next process. So as you can see, I have entered the account details. Let's go down and select save and transfer option. Now you can see it is asking me to verify beneficiary before making the payment. So tap on verify. Once it is verified, you can either tap on edit details. So if you want to edit anything, you can select that option. But if you want to go ahead, simply tap on confirm. Now beneficiary is saved. You have to enter the amount. So for now, I am going to transfer 2,000, and this is for testing purpose. So in note, I am going to enter test. Tap on pay option. Once it is done, over here again you can select the payment mode, which is IMPS, NEFT, UPI. So for the first 24 hours, as I said, if you add beneficiary, then the first 24 hours you can only transfer up to 25,000 rupees, and after that the limit for IMPS is 5 lakh, for NEFT it is 5 lakh, and for UPI it is 1 lakh. So if you want to do immediate transfer, you can select IMPS. If you want to do NEFT transfer, you can select NEFT, right? For now, I want to do IMPS transfer, so I have selected that. Let's tap on proceed option. You have to enter your MPIN, and once it is done, you can see the transaction is complete. In order to check transaction details, you can tap on view transaction details. You can check out to whom you have transferred the amount and from which bank account the amount is debited. You can check out the transaction ID over here. And if you want to share this, you have share option over here. You can tap on share and you can share it wherever you want. So yes, this is how simple it is to transfer money from Kotak 811 application to other bank accounts. So either you can use that beneficiary method or you can use quick transfer option. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.